coders, welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are enjoying this series Code Every Day and y'all are practicing the code along with me. So today we will have a look to check whether the number is a positive number or a negative number. Okay, so let us quickly go to the system. So here we are back to our system. Let me create the new class. Right click on this src folder, click on new and then Java class. And let me name this as Code Every Day 00011 as it's day 11. And we'll write the main method public static void main string args and curly braces open. So we will take a number from the user and we will check whether the number is a positive number or a negative number or whether it is 0. So we'll create a scanner class object. Scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in and we'll import our package at the top of the code. Import java.util.scanner. Let me take a variable as num to take the user input sc.nextInt. Int num equals to sc.nextInt. We will use the if statement to check whether my number is a positive number or a negative number or whether it is 0. So our first condition will be if num is less than 0, then print system.out.println num is a negative number. Else if my number is greater than 0, then print system.out.println num is a positive number. And if both the conditions are not satisfied, then else system.out.println num is 0. Okay. Let me run this code and show you. Let me take a number input such as 55. 55 is a positive number. Now let us check with some other number, like we'll give -4. -4 is a negative number. And now if I give my number as 0, so that's all for today. Bye bye and have a good day.